Ay, Ayumi. Sige.
Hi, thank you for coming.
Oh, kumusta naman ang celebration natin for Ayumi?
It's doing good naman. I'm here with my future in-laws and my friends will come afterwards. So, happy ako kasi napabless na ang shop ko.
Ano yung mga naging parang most memorable moments natin for the past years?
In terms of shop or
Shop.
I think having some connections with the staff and like learning their lives, what they've been through. Tapos meron kasi yung staff before na sobrang close ko. So, very memorable sa akin kasi we really connected. And usually they say na parang huwag mo i-friend yung mga staff, pero at that time parang she was nice to me, I'm nice to her, and the friendship was really there.
And connected pa rin naman kayo ngayon?
Yes, actually tawag lang niya sa akin kanina to congratulate me.
So talagang connections ang para bang important things para sa'yo?
Yes, aside sa like the business and nakikita, it's very important for me na to have a good connection with the staff. Lahat ng principles namin are aligned, and even with the clients. Kasi I've had clients here, minsan they wanna talk, minsan they don't, and that's fine. Pero I like connecting with these people.
And moving forward, ano yung mga nililook forward mo for Ayumi?
Okay. I hope mas marami pa yung clients, mas marami pa yung sales, and mas marami pa kami mapapasaya na tao. Aside sa, sa lashes and nails, magbigay namin yung confidence na kailangan nila.
Grabe rin ang support sa'yo ni Miss Raytan, no?
Yes. Actually, kakapadala lang na ng cake. And then I also have here Wikiderm products.
And ano yung masasabi mo sa laging support sa'yo ni Miss Ray?
Sobrang thank you talaga. Sobrang mataas yung gratitude ko kasi kahit wala to, I'm very grateful na kay Mami Ray because every time may problem ako when it comes to the business, since she's been there through, done it all, isang tawag lang yan, sasagot na yan sa akin and mag-advise na yan sa akin. So, sobrang grateful talaga ako kasi hindi everyone has that So, I'm taking the opportunity that there is someone very genuine to help me, in life and in business. So, grabe. So, like, Mami Ray, thank you talaga.
Ano yung pwede mong ma-share na piece of advice galing sa kanya?
Okay. Actually, ang dami, pero the most important siguro is hayaan mo yung iba. Be grateful on your own.
Sa services ng Ayumi, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo?
Mine personally would be the Ange Curl Natural. Kasi mas gusto ko yung natural looking lang na lashes. And this one kasi may kasama siyang lifting effect. Mas curl yung lashes na ilalagay. So pag-gising ko, or like when I'm in a vacation or anywhere, mukha na ako naka-get up. So blush on na lang yung kulay.
Ano pa yung mga services na na-offer natin?
We also have brow lamination. We also do foot spa and nails. This one is polygel. So from the lashes, we have eyebrow and nails.
Gano'n ka-important sa'yo yung self-care, yung gano'n?
Very, very important. Aside sa being maarte and everything, it's also very important with the hygiene. Kahit the skincare, very practical ako with what I use, what I trust. I trust Wikiderm. So, maarte ako pero I use it wisely. And importante siya kasi it boosts your confidence And when you're in public, kailangan yun
Ano ba yung routine ng isang Thea sa daily mo?
Daily routine sa buhay ko. So when I wake up, after few minutes, like 30 minutes, I start the day with an ice plunge. I use Optima. May machine kami sa bahay. It's called Optima. Nilalamig na yung tubig niya for me, so hindi na ako kailangang bumili ng ice. And then afterwards, it depends with my mood. Minsan mag-workout ako. Or minsan I just go straight to work, which is either I'll be here or I'll be at home on my laptop. And then the day continues like that. So if dito ako buong araw, or if I have to go home, ganyan. But when I work from home, ganun lang din.
Napaka-hands-on mo sa business, no?
Yes, kasi it's my first. And syempre, we want to make our parents proud. Charot, diba?
Namimiss mo rin ang showbiz?
Super. Actually, called my handler few weeks ago. Sabi ko, ready na ako. Pwede na ulit ako sumama. Kasi last year kasi, ang dami kong travels and I really had to focus. Hindi siya pwede divided. So, they understood me naman. And this year sabi ko, hello, I'm back.
Anong pinaka-namimiss mo ba sa showbiz?
The craft itself. It's a different experience kasi, di ba, when you work with one character and you have to evolve all these emotions and bring these stories alive. So, nakakamiss yun when you explore into the craft.
Among your peers naman, sino yung pinaka-namimiss mo? Covers?
Ay, sobrang namiss ko si Sanya and si Cassie. Si Kakay kasi palagi kami nagkikita. So, sobrang namiss ko yung Dear, si Kai, si Maxine. Si Max, ang anak na lang, hindi pa rin kami nagkita. So, sila, sobrang namiss ko sila. Kasi, iba din kasama ko sila, diba? So, I'm hoping maka-work ko ulit sila.
Tsaka yung process ng paggawa rin, diba? Nakakamiss din yan.
Paggawa ng
series, for example.
Yes, the Sleepless Nights. Hindi siya nakakamiss, pero minsan nakakamiss yung ganun pagod na parang you feel like you've established something. So, nakakamiss yun.
And ano naman yung may plans ka ba for pageantry naman?
Parang wala na. Hindi ko alam. Ang hirap sagot.
Hindi mo na alam.
Hindi ko na alam. Charot. Kasi di ba dati sinabi ko, it's Miss World or nothing. But Miss World is not yet open to the inclusions na sinama na ng Miss Universe. So, syempre, ando na yung door na you can join whenever you want. In any status of your life, you can join. Parang it's welcome. The door is open. Siyempre naman, hindi naman ako yung, sige, I'll shut the door. No. The door is there, but we'll see when the time is right. If I feel like it is the right moment. Sa ngayon, not yet. So, we'll see. And good luck kay Ate Winwin.
Oo nga, kapopost mo lang ng support mo for
Yes!
Anong message mo sa kanya naman?
Alam na nila lahat na kailangan ko sabihin. Just do your best. Just be you on stage. Kasi we all know the Winwin. You've been there, you've done that, you've proved yourself so many times. So, give us a show. God bless, and I hope it will be your night.
Just invite viewers naman to your business.
Yes, hello everyone, I'm Tia Tomal and I want to invite everyone to visit Ayumi here in Ayala Mall sa 30th in Pasig to get your lashes and nails done and to have a comfortable and relaxing time here.
And let them follow you on social media also.
Yes, please follow me on social media. It's @Tia_Tomalada. @Tia_Tomala, yun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And congratulations to Ayumi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Picture tayo.
Yes.